Mary Berry scones are a perfect tea-time treat, whether jam and cream topped plain or packed with sultanas. Equipment. You needed a fluted 5 cm 2-inch cutter. Ingredients. 450 grams or 1 pound of self-raising flour. 2 level teaspoons of baking powder. 50 grams or 1 3/4 ounces of caster sugar. 100 grams or 3½ ounces of butter, softened, cut into pieces. 2 free-range eggs. A little milk. A handful of sultanas optional. To serve. Strawberry jam. Clotted cream. Method. Preheat the oven to 220 Celsius 200 Celsius for a fan oven. Gas mark 7. Lightly grease 2 baking trays. Put the flour, baking powder, and sugar in a large bowl. Add the butter and rub in with your fingertips until the mixture resembles fine breadcrumbs. Crack the eggs into a measuring jug. Then add enough milk to make the total liquid 300 milliliters, or 10 fluid ounces. Stir the egg and milk into the flour, you may not eat it all, and mix to a soft sticky dough. Turn out onto a lightly floured work surface, knead lightly, and work in the sultanas, if easy. Roll out to a rectangle about 2 centimeters or 3/4 of an inch thick. Cut into as many rounds as possible with a fluted 5 cm 2-inch cutter, and place them on the prepared baking trays. Brush the tops of the scones with a little extra milk, or any egg and milk left in the jug. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the scones are well risen and a pale golden brown color. Lift onto a wire rack to cool. Eat as fresh as possible. To serve, split the scones and serve with strawberry jam on the plain scones along with a good dollop of clotted cream.